edge of silence, dust rises where the rivers divide. Tajik peaks and Afghan valleys, two worlds meet beneath the sky. Every turn feels like forever, every breath a story untold. The mountains whisper, keep on riding, through the wind and through the cold. I'm riding free, where the earth touches heaven, on this road carved in stone and time. The palmers shine, and the border's endless. Every mile feels like a climb. The view's so wild, it steals my soul. Here between the mountains, I feel whole. Shadows fall, forgotten pathways, villages sleep by the river's bend. The highway winds like a song of history, no beginning and no end. Every turn feels like forever, every breath a story untold. The mountains whisper, keep on riding, through the wind and through the cold. I'm riding free, where the earth touches heaven, on this road carved in stone and time. The palmers shine, and the border's endless. Every mile feels like a climb. The view's so wild, it steals my soul. Here between the mountains, I feel whole. Tell the stories, no words can frame the sight. Just a rider chasing glory, through the day and into night. Final, I'm riding free, where the earth touches heaven, on this road carved in stone and time. The palmers shine, and the border's endless. Every mile feels so divine. So wild, it steals my soul. Here between the mountains, I feel whole.